Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick clean and decorate with me. I'm going to be adding some fall touches to my home office. I'm just giving you a quick overview of what it's looking like right now, and we're going to jump into the video. But before we do that, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. I'm going to start off with doing a light dusting and vacuuming, and then we're going to get into the decorating portion of the video.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round.
I tried to add little decorative items in most areas of my home to represent whatever season that we are in. Being that it's fall season, I wanted to add some fall touches to my home office. This is really like my formal living room area, but we typically do not use it as a formal living room. It's actually our home office for our business. But being that I am in here most of the time, I did want to add some fall decor because, like I said, I love to have any season that we're in represented in different areas of my home. It just gets me in the festive mood or whatever season it is, and I just love to, enjoy the fall decor that I add to each area. If it's only, just something simple as a pumpkin or even a seasonal candle, I just love to add those touches to different areas of my home during each season.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side.
In this clip, you're going to see me decorate my little sofa area. These are two pillows that I got. This one came from Walmart and it was like $5.94, and this one I got from the Bullseye Spot at Target. And in this clip, you're going to see me go back and forth trying to decide how I'm going to style this area. For some reason, I had a hard time. Here's a clip on the look that I came up with the pillow from Target. And like I said, I'm going to change it up, remove it, arrange the pillows, rearrange the pillows again. And for some reason, I just kind of struggled a little bit. And this next clip is how it looked with the Walmart pillow, which I kind of like this a little bit, but if you watch to the end, you'll see what I end up doing to this area.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
I have yet to come up with a solution for all these wires. I was thinking about moving my office desk to this side of the room, but for right now I'm going to use this crate. I know it says 'tis the season, but you won't be able to see that because I'm going to add a fall blanket and some pumpkins and a decorative pillow to the crate.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you, be with you.
Okay guys, I'm going to give you a quick look at my office area and how everything came out. On the two side tables, I did do two different looks, and I love how it came out. And this is the look that I came up with for my sofa, and I love it. I used some pillows from my sectional in my family room and some other pillows that I had, and I placed that Walmart pillow, and I think it just came out really nice. And I know I was struggling in the beginning, but I ended up coming up with this look here. Comment down below if you like this look. And here is the other side table, and I just did a quick little look with some pumpkins and a pick. And on the floor there, I used that tabletop stool that I got from Dollar General, and I just placed some pumpkins in this area. And I also love how this look. And yeah, not too much, just simply placing some pumpkins. And this is how this console table came out, guys. I just placed that welcome decorative pillow there with some array of various pumpkins that I had, and place a scarf that I had from last year. I think I got that scarf from Target Bullseye Spot. And this garland here, you have seen it before. I just placed it on the top of the table, and I love how everything came out. And on my office desk, here is two decorative bottles that I got from Dollar General, and I just placed some pumpkins next to them. And this is one of my favorite candles from Bath and Body Works, and it smells so amazing, guys. I wish you could smell how awesome it smells in here right now. And this is a pillow that I had. I switched out the chairs and placed this white chair that I thrifted, and this pillow says count your blessings. And over here on this side, this is a DIY that I created using only just Dollar Tree items, and I love how it came out. And I just placed it on this mirror. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave this right here. I might end up getting a simple wreath, but for right now, I'm gonna leave it here. This is my bar cart that I usually have in my formal dining room, but I end up bringing it here in my home office. And down below is a beautiful floral arrangement that I put together using some flowers that I already have and some picks that I got from the Dollar General. And I love how it came out, and I just placed some simple pumpkins on the side there. And yeah, guys, I just love how everything came out. Like I said, I didn't do too much, but I love how my area came out. It just looks so inviting, and I'm really enjoying how my sofa came out. I really love this look. So I'm giving you an overview of everything again really quick, and just letting you see what I did for fall in my home office. I hope you guys are really enjoying this video. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.